Welcome back. These moments will bring a special experience to your life. It's unbelievable that the flood made the road look like this. In Thailand, somehow, a large number of monkeys escaped. We should have traffic laws for animals. Looks like traffic is a bit congested today. Do you want such a natural outdoor fireplace? Cold hands, warm hearts. That's exactly how to describe this special tree. Cupcakes made from snow look delicious, but who's going to try this? A cup of coffee made from hot sand will become your own street magic show. This is what we call as quick as lightning. Life will give you surprises to let you know how well God of Luck protects you. The pumice stone will fool you if you're going to lie on this sand, and then you'll be swallowed. Water's very gentle, but it can have the power of a giant when it can wash away a house on the Yellowstone River. It seems the clouds have left their bed, which is Mount Gibraltar, to their duty. Sometimes, collapse happens without warning, and his power caused his friend to wake up earlier than usual. Friends from nature had a gathering. Rainbow and hail create a magical scene. Not everyone has the same abilities. He must have needed some help. We don't know when the giant will get angry, like this giant moving sandstorm wall. The ice sheets have weakened and fallen as temperatures rise. Always be careful. Be ready for the sudden visit of Mother Nature. Hopefully, she has a happy adventure here. A restaurant for both people and fish. Living with fish is an experience worth trying. When your phone's many secrets. He must have borrowed these magic glasses from Doraemon. Not everyone's lucky to see the bird parade. This large number can cover the whole sky. Love's no limit. He definitely fell in love with those shoes. The trees were swallowed up in the lake. A break in the lake could be the cause.
Wow. Live है ये live.
Time and weather must have taken a lot. A successor is required to complete that wall's duty. Animals are very smart when they know what to do for their own pleasure. When you want to be a bird, but forget you have no wings. Wild boars in the field destroy crops. Here is a great example showing wild boars and the problems they pose to farmers when they destroy their crops. A really good pilot can turn any place into an airport. The house is slowly falling apart. A disappearance for no reason. When sharks want to make friends with humans. The chemical tanker is facing its toughest test. Giant waves. Building a house takes the work of builders. This hard-working spider has done a great job. Glass can't stop the watermelon's power. That's why the strength of solidarity is so important.
Wait a sec.
Bad luck and good luck swap places when you can have 3 drinks for just 1 price. From a small stream to a flood in 60 minutes. The turbulence creates irregular eddies. It looks like some god dropped something on the ground. Luckily, everyone is safe. Do you want to see the sea anytime? The power of technology is amazing. Thor gave us a very special performance today. You can draw without a pen. No one wants to stay at home forever. The elephant family is having an interesting vacation. Nothing compares to the power of a hurricane. Humans are so small in front of nature. Old age does not forget anyone. The moment showing how a stream is formed closes this interesting video. Thanks for watching, and have a good day!